What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Card Bank Savings Account. Kasi si Card Bank guys is may iba't ibang klase ng savings account. When we say Card Bank, ito ay rural bank. Ino-offer ito sa mga probinsya-probinsya, uso ito. Hindi lang po nag-iisa yung savings account na meron si Card Bank, marami po sila. Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga savings account na meron si Card Bank. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung initial deposit at saka pag-uusapan din natin guys kung ano yung pinaka-the best savings account ni Card Bank. Kung ano yung savings account ni Card Bank na nag-o-offer ng pinakamataas na interest rate per annum or per year. Kasi yung iba mababa lang tapos may isang mataas magbigay ng interest rate per year. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung interest rates, kung magkano nga ba yung tutubuin ng pera ninyo kapag nag-save kayo sa Card Bank Savings Account. At the same time, yung maintaining average daily balance ni Card Bank Savings Account. And of course, kung paano nga ba mag-open ng savings account sa Card Bank, ano yung requirements, at saka kung ano-ano pa yung mga kailangan yung i-provide. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Card Bank offers various savings accounts tailored for microfinance clients, featuring low minimum deposits, often 50 to 2,000 pesos, and interest rates ranging from 0.50% to 2.50% per annum. So, per annum to guys. So, ngayon, magkano nga ba yung interest rate sa savings account ni Card Bank? Nasa 0.50% to 2.50% siya per annum. Every year po itong usapan dito. Hindi po per month. So, kung sa loob ng isang taon, yung tutubuin ng pera ninyo is nasa 0.50% to 2.50%. So, bakit nga ba 0.50% to 2.50%? Kasi depende siya guys kung ano yung in-avail din yung savings account sa Card Bank. Key products include Matapat, ATM, Pledge Savings, and Maagap KD accounts. Accessible through the Connect to Card mobile app for transactions. So lahat naman ito guys is nakalink or pwede nyong i-link sa Connect to Card application ni Card Bank. Then ngayon, let's talk about Card Bank Savings Account, initial deposit, at saka yung average daily balance, kung magkano yung kakailangan yung i-provide, at saka yung interest rates. Key Card Bank Savings Account. So, unang-una guys is meron si Matapat Savings ATM, designed for easy access with a minimum ADB or average daily balance of 2,000 pesos and an interest rate of 0.50% per annum. So, as you can see guys, yung average daily balance is 2,000 pesos ni Matapat Savings ATM. When we say average daily balance, kailangan yung i-maintain ito para hindi mag-close yung savings account ninyo sa Card Bank. 0.50% yung magiging interest rate niya per annum. Then, pangalawa is yung Pledge Savings Account. A micro-deposit account requiring a 2,000 pesos ADB for a 2.50% interest rate. So, yung average daily balance din niya is 2,000 pesos. Din yung magiging interest rate niya per month is 2.50%. So, ibig sabihin, mas maganda to guys kaysa Matapat Savings ATM. Kasi sa Matapat Savings is 0.50% lang. Itong si Pledge is nasa 2.50% per annum. Di hamak na mas mataas siya ng 2%. Then next guys is si Kayang-Kaya Savings Account. Requires PHP 2,000 pesos average daily balance with a 1% interest rate. Then si Maagap Savings naman is 1% din siya. So as you can see guys, yung may pinakamataas na interest rate na savings account ni Card Bank is si Pledge Savings Account. So meaning, ito yung pinakamagandang savings account sa Card Bank. Kasi 2.50% per annum yung itutubuin ng pera na isi-save ninyo dito. Compared to Kayang-Kaya Savings, requires 2,000 pesos din, 1% lang yung per annum. Ganon din si Maagap Savings, KD Savings. So, when we say KD, para sa mga bata, 1% din yung interest rate per annum. Key features and requirements. So, ngayon, let's talk about features and requirements kung paano mag-open ng savings account sa Card Bank. Minimum balance is most accounts requires a minimum average daily balance or ADB of PHP 2,000 pesos to earn interest. So, kailangan guys, i-maintain niyo yung 2,000 pesos na yun para mag-earn siya ng interest per quarter. As I have observed guys, per quarter nagde-deposit ng interest rate si Card Bank. When we say quarterly guys, every 3 months yon. Digital access. The Connect to Card app allows users to check balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and perform QR code-based cash in and cash out. So, via Connect to Card guys, kapag nakalink yung Card Bank savings account ninyo, pwede kayo magkapag-transfer doon, going to other banks. Mapa e-wallets man yan. Opening requirements. So, ano nga ba yung requirements kapag nag-open kayo ng Card Bank savings account? So, yung requirements in opening account is generally one valid ID, birth certificate for children, and one-by-one ID pictures for parents and guardian. So, yun lang yung requirements guys kapag nag-open kayo ng savings account sa Card Bank. Security. Deposits are insured by PDIC up to 500,000 per depositor. HTTPS, ganyan. Nandiyan makikita mo kung magkano nga ba yung covered ng PDIC or yung Philippine Deposits Insurance Corporation. Up to 500,000 yung covered nila. But for now guys, as far as I know, 1 million na yung covered ng PDIC sa mga savings account. So ito siya, for sure, ngayon tumaas na rin, nasa 1 million na rin yung magiging covered ni PDIC sa deposit amount ninyo sa Card Bank savings account ninyo. For higher tier interest rates, Card SME Bank offers Earn More Special Savings Deposit with rates between 2.75 to 4.50% for larger term-based deposits. So when we say term-based, parang time deposit ito guys, hindi nyo magagalaw yung pera hanggat hindi natapos yung panahon na yun. Like for example, 2 years yung pinirmahan ninyo or in-agree ninyo, hindi nyo magagalaw yung pera nyo within 2 years. Tapos yun nga guys, make sure lang guys na kapag nakalink yung savings account niyo sa Connect to Card, be aware na maaaring kahit sino pwedeng makapag-withdraw dyan. So make sure lang guys na wag mong i-share kahit kanino yung login details sa Connect to Card kapag doon nakasave or nakalink yung savings account niyo sa Card Bank kasi maaari silang mag-withdraw ng pera dyan at pwede nilang i-transfer sa ibang bank or di kaya sa e-wallets. Sinishare ko to guys to raise awareness to everyone. Kasi hard-earned money yan. So make sure na protektahan ninyo para hindi kayo maging luhaan at the end. Kasi mahirap na guys kapag nawalan kayo ng pera sa savings account ninyo. Para hindi kayo magalit sa bank of course. Since kapabayaan nyo naman pala, pinagkatiwala ninyo yung card details at saka yung login details ng Connect to Card, so pwede talaga nila ma-access yun at makuha yung pera ninyo. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo na dapat hindi nyo sinishare kahit kanino yung details ng Connect to Card login details ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!